Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today we have had dropped off a Ford Escort set. Now we've done quite a few of these, but hopefully this one isn't going to be original. The customer would like something a little bit special. So chances are this set could actually be having like a silver veneer on. If not, then the original is a cherry, but he wants something different to go with his grey interior. So this is what we're going to do. So I'll just show you some of the woodwork, the condition that it's in at the minute, and then a bit later on, in say another 3 weeks, I'll upload another video so you can see how it actually looks when it's finished in the choice of veneer that the customer wants to pick. So you've got the clock binnacle, which is there like that. The lacquer's still intact, but you can see that there's all the signs that the lacquer's starting to lift off and the veneer's starting to give way. Still in solid shape, still solid, so that's a good thing. Normally they're all delaminated, the plywood, because these are actually made out of plywood. And so is the switch panel. So the switch panel, you can see the veneers coming off there. There's a bit of a chunk missing, but all this veneer anyway has to be stripped right back down to the plywood, and then we can go from there. Now the door cappings are made from like solid mahogany with a veneer that goes on the top. So the customer has requested, once we've had the discussion, he might be having these in so he can just bond them to the door himself, and us fill these holes in so it doesn't spoil the effect of the veneer. Or it could be if originally you would screw them to the door, but like I said, nowadays you can get some sticky back foam, I think it is, the way you can just place them on and it's got a real good stick to them. So that's one of the door cappings there. Another one is in a bit worse shape. The lacquer on it, you can see it's all gone discoloured, milky, and you can hear it just falling off, but that doesn't matter. All it's going back down to the bare wood anyway. So I'll show you, there's all the door cappings like you can see, and then you've got the glove box door that sits underneath the dash. Now you can see it's already got the brackets on, so we're going to refit them. The lacquer that's on it at the minute, it's old, tired. All that is all going to match the door cappings, the clock binnacle. It's going to look absolutely amazing. Something a little bit different, and it's going to be in there as well. We're going to find a piece of leather to go on the strap instead of this little bit of wire, just to jazz it up a little bit, and it's all going to look beautiful once again, if not better. My name is Jed from GDK Veneering. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye bye.